It's a super exciting day because it's launch day. We're finally done with the paddle boards. It's really exciting. We're gonna get them loaded up. We're gonna take them to the water and test these things out. I do want to quickly mention that this is the spot that Will picked out for the first launch. There are much better places to launch from, fewer alligators, but this is what Will picked.
It's trial by fire.
Guys, these boards feel so good. They're so solid. Feel nice underfoot. Some people like to put grip on the boards, but I honestly feel like I'm just fine barefoot on these things. I'm not slipping off the, what do you think?
Yeah, no, I feel good.
Solid?
Yeah.
Stable?
Solid, stable. I see where a grip could be useful.
Right.
So far, I don't feel like I need it.
Yeah. We're going exploring. Oh, dude. This is awesome.
Push off the wall.
It's like the rainforest up in here. This is awesome. All right, guys, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Really appreciate it if you stuck around this long. This video was a huge undertaking, took a lot of work to do. So I'd really appreciate it if you could hit like and subscribe on this video. Also, be sure to let me know if you'd like to see the full build series, and we'll see you guys in the next video.